Preyo Phonie here. In this quick Android guide, I'll show you how to customize your phone's font style, size, and weight step by step. Want your phone text to look bigger, cleaner, or more stylish? Android lets you fully customize your font settings in seconds. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Then scroll down and tap Wallpaper and Personalization. Step 2. Now press on Fonts from the menu options. This section controls your text appearance settings. Step 3. Choose the font style you want to use. Preview different styles and pick your favorite one. Before we continue, subscribe now for more Android customization tips and hidden settings every week. Step 4. Adjust the font size using the slider below. Make the text smaller or larger for comfortable viewing. Step 5. You can also change the font weight setting. This makes your text thinner, normal, or bolder. Step 6. After selecting your preferred settings, exit the menu. Boom! Your new font style and size are now applied successfully. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more easy Android tutorials and smartphone customization guides.